Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at, well, a really interesting signal from the tech world. Accenture just dropped their latest results, and it tells quite a story about AI's real impact.
Exactly. We're going to distill what these Q3 numbers from Accenture, a huge player, really mean,
Yeah.
especially with all the buzz around new tech. What's the reality behind the hype?
Okay, so let's get straight to the headline numbers. Q3 fiscal 25 revenue came in at $17.7 billion. That's up 8% from last year, which, for a company this size, adding over $1 billion in revenue, that's pretty strong growth, isn't it?
It really is. You don't see that kind of jump without something big driving it. And, well, it seems pretty clear what that driver is.
You mean AI?
Absolutely. The demand for AI services, it's just surging across the board. Accenture isn't just talking about AI anymore. It's clearly fueling their business right now. It's tangible.
And they're leaning hard into generative AI specifically. I mean, the CEO, Julie Sweet, keeps calling them the reinvention partner of choice. And the Gen AI numbers seem to back that up, right? They reported, what, $1.5 billion in new Gen AI bookings this quarter alone?
That's right, $1.5 billion booked,
Yeah.
and over $700 million in actual Gen AI revenue just in Q3. And if you look year to date, it's even bigger. $4.1 billion in bookings, $1.8 billion in revenue.
Wow. So can you just quickly clarify bookings versus revenue for people?
Sure. So bookings are like signed deals, future work locked in. Revenue is the money they actually earned in the period from doing the work. That $1.5 billion in bookings tells you clients are making serious, large-scale commitments. Now, it's not just experiments.
They're actually betting on this stuff for the future.
Precisely. Accenture is positioning itself to basically build out the AI infrastructure for these companies and look at their hiring plans. They want to boost their data and AI team from about 75,000 people now, PC around 80,000 by fiscal 26. It's a big investment in talent.
Yeah, that shows some serious confidence. And speaking of confidence, they actually raised their forecast for the full year, didn't they? Bumped up the lower end of their revenue growth guidance to 6-7%. Raising guidance is usually a pretty positive signal.
It absolutely is. It says they believe this AI momentum isn't slowing down. It confirms their strategic bet is paying off. It suggests AI is shifting from, a nice to have to something fundamental for their clients' operations.
So the big takeaway here seems to be that Gen AI isn't just hype. For major players like Accenture, it's translating into real dollars, big contracts, and a clear direction for future growth. It's actually reshaping how businesses invest.
Right. And that leaves us with a question for you, the listener, to think about. If Accenture, which kind of acts as a barometer for enterprise tech spending, is seeing this level of growth driven by Gen AI, what does that signal about just how fast and how deeply AI is transforming industries right now? And maybe more importantly, what new skills or business approaches are becoming critical, like right now, something to chew on?